Looks cold out there. Man, I'm hungry. Where can I get food at this hour?
Open 24 hours. People kill me when they say things like that because it's like Subway is open 24 hours for a reason. So that when you're hungry at night and you ain't got no food, you go to Subway.
What happened that night, Jesse?
I went to the Subway and got the order. You have to understand also that it's Chicago in winter. As I was crossing the intersection, I heard Empire.
Daily Wire.
And I don't answer to Empire. My name ain't Empire. And I didn't answer. I kept walking, and then I heard Empire. So I turned around and I said, "Did you just say me?" And I see the attacker, masked. That I had said that they were wearing MAGA hats. I never said that. And he said, "This MAGA country punches me right in the face." So I punched his ass back. And then we started tussling. You know, it was very icy. Fighting. There was a second person involved who was kicking me in my back. And then I smelled bleach. I know the smell of bleach.
Hit him with the bleach! Hit him with the bleach!
Then it just stopped. And they ran off. And then I look down and I see that there's a rope around my neck.
You hadn't noticed it before?
No, because it was so fast. I noticed the rope around my neck and I started screaming. And I said, "There's a rope around my neck."
If the attackers are never found, how will you be able to heal?
I don't know. Let's just hope that they are. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's not go there yet.